Been feeling trapped down on the floor. I don't know what for. Feels like I'm gonna lose. Silence takes a hold. I can't let it go. Chin up, no one knows. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things I let go. Floating on the waves. We go bottoms up, we go all the way.
What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of the Vaugh Show. Today I'm gonna vlog the marina. So today I'm hanging out at the Dubai Marina today, so you guys can get to see what that looks like when you come to Dubai for your vacation. I want you guys to have amazing views of everything that I see and do. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and click that bell. We've already hit 1,000 followers. We're trying to hit 2,000 sooner rather than later. We have over 25 videos up, and Dubai is our next series. So it's like my 6th day here, you guys, and I'm having a lot of fun, like a lot of fun. But the jet lag is just so rough. It is so rough. I talked about in my last video, Miracle Garden, but it is so rough. Like the 9 hours ahead is just kicking my butt. So I've been trying to get enough sleep so I can get up and film, but I've just been sleeping all day and it's just been cutting me in half. I'm telling you. So prepare for that. That's just the torture of it. Some people do okay, but for me, I'm like, oh gosh, I'm struggling, y'all. I'm struggling. But other than that, I'm having a great time. So, and let y'all see what the Dubai Marina looks like, and we'll catch back up in a few. Hey.
But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things I let go. Floating on the waves. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down, push the pain away. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. And face it another day. We go bottoms up.
So the marina, the Dubai Marina, has a lot of hotels located here. So if you want a hotel located on the water, like there's the Ramada, there's the DoubleTree, there's a Hilton, there is a Pearl Marina Hotel. There are a lot of hotels here on the marina. If you want to be like more of like the downtown area part of Dubai, which is still affordable, because I checked some of the rates on the hotel, but because it's New Year's, the rates have gone up. But outside of New Year's, the rates are like $125, $130. So it's definitely reasonable. It's maybe about a 4-stop metro ride to like where the Dubai Mall is. But other than that, it's a great location. There's a lot of restaurants here, a lot of things you can do on the water. So like there's a lot of like cruise dinners here, as you can see behind me. So it's definitely a location that you might want to be in when you come to Dubai, especially for a first timer. I would recommend this area as well.
Hurting in my soul, shaking through my car, left me in the cold. Chained to what I know, drifter on the road, take it where I go. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things I let go. Floating on the waves. We go bottoms up.
Hi guys, thank you so much for watching my video today of the Dubai Marina tour and vlog. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Remember, whenever you come to Dubai, if you're looking to stay by the water, Dubai Marina is the location to be. So, I will see you guys on my next video. Take care and take it easy. Mwah!
We go bottoms up and face it another day. We go bottoms up.